What do you want to tell me, Braden? What is that?
Bacon.
What is it? What is this?
Bib.
Your bib? And where are you sitting?
In my high chair.
And who's this?
Uncle Travis.
And who's that?
And Mommy and me.
And who else is here?
Uncle Papa.
Uncle Papa? Who's Uncle Papa? There's Heather. And what are you going to eat for breakfast?
Milk.
Milk? And what else?
And
Running specialty special this morning, Braden.
What is it?
pancakes.
Pancakes? You like pancakes?
Yeah.